We are back for a little update because it's been a while.
Too long, sorry.
I know, sorry. We've been like on holiday.
Doing all much fun stuff.
Yeah.
No, but we have been busy too.
Yeah, we've been very much in touch, and the
Yes.
whole time we've been on like FaceTime and texting, but we haven't seen each other in months.
But yeah,
Yeah?
6 weeks.
Yeah,
I think.
that
Yeah,
one,
6 weeks, something like that. So yeah.
So although we've spoken most days, yeah, it's good to touch base and let you guys know what's happening in the world of Gabberdashery patterns. And yeah, I haven't vlogged in a very long time, so massive apologies for that. But I'll be back to it soon.
Yes.
I promise. But for
Pinky swear.
Yes, exactly. And Hobbes is here.
Yay!
He wouldn't miss this for the world. So
Yeah.
I'm sure a lot of people have missed little Hobbes. So
Yeah.
say hello. Oh. Okay, so what have we been up to?
Oh, where do we start?
I know.
So we've been working with Alexandra, as you guys know from our last vlog. She's been drafting our patterns.
She's amazing. We're so thankful to have found her.
Yeah.
So good to work with, and yeah, it's just been brilliant.
Yeah. So the first pattern that she did for us is now
gone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was going to say nearly finished, but it is
No,
finished.
it is. Yeah.
So it's on our way to us now, and yeah, we've twirled it, and we are working on the instructions right now.
Yeah. And the instruction booklet and all the fun things like illustrations and
sizing.
Yes. There's a lot to do, and I think that's something that we're learning along the way is how much there is to do in a pattern booklet. It's not just instructions, there's a lot of other stuff.
Yeah,
and
layout plans.
Yeah, and we've got a line drawer now, which is great as well, because I was learning how to do line drawing and that was a bit shaky.
It's hard, it's difficult.
Really
I
hard.
think.
And also you can spend hours and days teaching yourself something, or you can get someone else involved that does it as a job, and I'm really pleased we're doing the latter.
Yeah. Yes, because I had no idea. I'm sorry, I don't know how to do this. So it's great to get somebody else on board. No, absolutely.
And you were very nice about my first mock-ups. You were like, that's interesting. It doesn't look like the finished thing. So yeah, I did get better, but I'm pleased that I'm not doing it.
I think if you would practice a lot, of course you will get there, but I think that you can use your time
more wisely.
Yeah, absolutely, because we've got so much other stuff to do as well.
True.
Because we also have a second pattern that we're working on.
Yeah.
It's not just that first one, so we've got the second one that is drafted. The first version has arrived, so we've twirled it for the first time.
Yeah.
There's a few tweaks.
Yeah, but I will say I got to try it on today because Barbara's been amazing and twirling it while I was away, and I have never put on a pattern that fit so well from the off, so I'm extremely excited.
Yes. Yeah, because Alexandra drafted it in your size, so when I tried it on, it was a bit off. It was a bit bigger in places, but the good thing was that it was bigger everywhere.
Yeah.
Not that you're so much bigger,
No,
but
but I am. Yeah, I'm a
You tried it on.
Yeah.
And it fit.
I
it
know,
was
like a glove.
Yes, it did. It did. So Alexandra had that spot on.
Yeah.
So it's just a few tweaks more design-wise rather than sizing.
Yeah, absolutely. And we kind of, we're learning as we go because we've got these ideas, and then when you see them actually being made, you realise, okay, this is complicating things too much for people, and we do want our patterns to be not just beginner friendly, but just kind of user friendly, I guess, and not a complete minefield. Yeah. And it's sometimes quite tricky to go from what's in your head to something that people can actually make themselves, and that's been such a learning curve for us. Yeah. So we've more taken things out than added things. We've kind of gone, oh, okay, maybe we don't need all of these crazy
and
things.
Also adding options. I feel like that was cool as an idea. Yeah. But maybe you only need 2 options instead of 4 or 5.
Absolutely.
Or you keep adding and adding, and maybe in this case I feel like less is more.
Yeah, because it took away from the original design, and it was already a standalone idea, and then we were trying to add loads of options to give variations for people, but then we were finding that actually that was taking away from our main design. So that was kind of cool to be able to both be like, well, we don't need the other stuff, let's just stick with our original idea, and which we think is really strong. So
and we were both on the same page on that, so that was good as well.
It's been really good. She's a dream to work with. She's so good. I'm so lucky. I can say that about you. Okay, but she's also, a dream to work can we say what a dream everyone else has been?
Yes, because the tester call.
Oh my god.
So many.
Over 500 people wrote back to us, so thank you so much.
So the only thing is, we do not need 500 people to test for us. So apologies in advance if you do not get picked, because there's so many of you that want to do it. So we will pick a few.
But we have you all on file as well, so we'll never have to do another call out.
This is
maybe
this is
like
sorted.
In 20 years time you'll all be you.
You'll get an email from us. Remember you applied 20 years ago.
I don't sew anymore, but thank you. But no, seriously, thank you so much. Amazing. It really lifted our spirits, and just knowing that many people are aware of our pattern company was incredible. It really was.
Really cool.
Thank you.
Awesome.
So I think that's kind of all we have to say. I wrote a list, but Hobbes has put his face on it. But I think if we move his paw, that's all we have to say for now. And we just want to give you little updates wherever possible, just to keep you in the loop, because you are with us on this journey. And thank you so much for all your lovely support as always. We'll see you soon.
Yeah, we'll see you soon. And the testers will hear from us.
Oh yes,
and
very soon.
Yeah, we'll keep you posted.
Yeah. Alright, take care.
Okay.
Lots of love. Bye.
And we want you